Hi crafters, Amy here, and I have a snarky, easy holiday card to share with you. And one of the best things about it is I'm going to use up some pattern paper. Now I have this funny Merry Whatever stencil from A Colorful Life Designs. I have a piece of pattern paper cut slightly smaller than A2 size. I have an A2 size card base, my blending brushes, and a Catherine Pooler mini ink that I'm going to do my blending with. So this is kind of a funny, snarky stencil from the November release. Here's a photo of the finished card. It does have some detail on it. It's hard to see in the picture, but I do have a couple little red elements on there just to give it a little something else. But if you have any, I don't know, bah humbug sort of people in your life that may get a kick out of a card like this, then maybe check out this stencil. I thought it was just funny, and I immediately thought of some people that would appreciate a card like this. So it's very simple in design. It comes together super quickly. If you have a lot of people in your life that would like this sort of card, this would definitely be one that's easy to batch. And it was fun because I was able to use up some of my pattern paper, which I have entirely too much of. So I just chose kind of a neutral that had a subtle design that I could ink blend over. And then here are some Arteza. These are acrylic paint pens, actually. I got them to decorate rocks with my daughter kind of during lockdown. We were decorating rocks and leaving them in the park with, like little encouraging drawings or sentiments or things like that for people to find. But I thought, hey, why wouldn't this work on a card too? So it is acrylic paint, so it is opaque and it will kind of sit on top of whatever medium. So I'm just putting little red dots all in these little points of these snowflakes, and also for the little holly berries. So it doesn't have dimension. I guess it sits up a little tiny bit because it is technically paint, but it is a fine tip. And I just think these are fun and kind of cool to have in my crafty stash. So I will link those as well as all the other products that I used in the video description box below. But overall, very simple, easy design. I attached it to a card base and boom, done. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing. And be sure to check out the rest of the November release at A Colorful Life Designs. There's loads of good stuff. And don't forget my coupon. So I'll check you next time. Bye.